tire patches, you probably know what this is going to. Good morning, guys. It's a beautiful day outside besides my bike. Let me just tell you what happened. This stuff right here. So, yesterday, I was out riding my bike, just enjoying life. And if you follow me on Instagram, then you already know the story and stuff. I was just riding my bike, and all of a sudden, it was 8 o'clock at night. Oh, dang it. I left the thing that popped my tire inside. All of a sudden, at 8 o'clock at night, I was at Target, 2 miles away from home, literally 2 miles away from home. My tire just went flat, and I was like, oh my gosh. And right before my tire went flat, a security guard came to me and literally said, she was like, don't be doing wheelies and bunny hops in the parking lot or on the sidewalks or anything like that. And literally, I was so savage. Right after she said that, I got on my bike again, and I just did a bunny hop off the sidewalk, right in front of her. It was hilarious. And then I just straight up left and went over where Target was. That's when my tire popped. So then I was like, oh, it's flat. And I was right beside Target, so I was like, I'm just gonna go in Target, use their pumps, and see if it'll pump up. See if, I don't know, just some air came out, because, I don't know. Right when I was in Target and I was just about to get the pump, I saw this little rusty spring inside my tire, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I was like, well, so I put the pump back, and then I just left, and then I walked all the way to Publix to call my mom and dad, and I had to call them 6 times to finally get dad to bring his truck and pick me up, because I would have got home at 9 o'clock if it wasn't for my dad to come pick me up. Thanks, Dad. But anyways, I gotta fix the tire. It's probably just a little hole, so I'm just gonna use I got this at when I was out of town, and I'm gonna use that to fix my tire. There's a squirrel right there. Where's he going? What if it just fell on my face? First thing you have to have is this. It's always important. I really don't like taking my tires off, because when I do, it usually I can't. I got at the right spot last time I took it off, and being that I have to take it off again means I have to find that right spot to put it back on again. So yeah. Why is this not working? This part, the right side for me, I usually have somebody put their foot on the handlebar, because yeah. I'll just put my foot here. Got it. I really need to get a I forgot what it's called. Oh my gosh, I forgot what it's called. But the thing that goes on and goes spins and stuff. Basically, it does what this is, but it's faster to use. I need to get one of those. Alright, now we take the chain off. Like that. Then we do that. Then we got the tire off. if it would come off for me. There we go. And now I guess I'm going to be using these for you guys. It basically goes on and then it hooks up on that, and since I just did it, that one came off. And then you should be able to just peel off the tire now. Yeah, there we go. Probably the hardest part of fixing a tire is finding the hole. So I might need to go get a pump and blow it up and see where the air is coming out of. I swear this is the hardest part. Yeah, it's coming out. But the question is, where? I just found the hole. Tiny, 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 tiny hole right there. Now we're supposed to take this little thing and scrape it. So that way the adhesive can actually stay on. Did I just lose the hole? Come on now. Nope, it's right there. So that's the rubber cement. And this is the ultra small patch. Messed it up. I'm using this video from YouTube. YouTubers watch YouTube. It's a fact. Alright guys, so as you can see, first time actually doing it, not the best, not the best, but first time I ever did a patch. I think I did a pretty good job. I should have added, my only mistake that I probably made was that I should have added more adhesive, because I added like as much as the black, and then I needed to add more, so I like, that's the only mistake I had made. I'm gonna leave it for a couple more minutes. He said it only takes like 5 minutes for it to dry, and then you can pump it up and put it in your bike. I'm gonna leave it for like, I'm gonna go eat breakfast, and I'm gonna come back, and then I will see about 5 minutes. It'll probably be 10 minutes, but you know, I just want to make sure, because I just did all that time, and if it messes up, then that's it. I have to buy a new tube, so I don't want to mess up. Now I'm just back in here. This is what it was. Mom, you want to see what was in my tire? Look, what is this? Crazy, right? Crazy. I'm pretty sure she's like making banana bread. I'm gonna ask her. Mom, are you making banana bread? That stuff that was like sitting right there. Sweet. So I'm glad I didn't pour my cereal. I was like just about to, because we don't have any milk. So I just grabbed this. So yogurt, because like I'm still really hungry, and like I didn't eat anything. But the patch is looking good. I mean, it's looking solid. Like, wow, I did a pretty good job. I would need bike repair. Go to Chance's bike shop. Like this video if you think I look like a bike shop. All this stuff around you that you see is bikes and bike supplies. This is so good. Alright, time to pump this up. Let's hope no air comes out. But you never know. Can you hear anything, guys? Nope. Now, it's time to put it all back inside. So, yeah. I also probably really need to get a new tire. Because this one's really weared out. I don't know. Give me your opinion. Do you guys think this is weared out? Like, it used to be the same texture as that on here, but I ride this bike almost every day. So it's safe to say that I need to buy more expensive tire because I ride it every day. If I put money into this, it's for a good cause because I ride it every day. You feel me? Now it's time to screw these back in and tighten it up. Make sure everything's good. And I'm gonna go test it. So we have a problem. It's losing air. And I don't know what's going on. Like why it's losing air. But all I know is losing air. And it's losing it pretty fast. I mean, slowly but fast. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put it in the sink and see where the air is coming out of. So it turns out there's a little tiny hole right beside where the last hole was. What? So I guess I'm doing the whole process all over again. Fun. One thing that I learned today. Always make sure and double check everything. Everything in life, always double check. Because you have no idea. Like, I literally waste my time. I had to put I put it all back on. I was like, yeah, I got it done. Yeah, it's all good. It's never gonna, the air's not gonna come out. The air comes out. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm thinking to myself, the adhesive is not strong. Wow. Why did I buy it for $5? But turns out the adhesive is strong. It's just that, being that I think it's because that the spring was so, it was really long. So I'm thinking that when it went into this hole, it came out of that hole because there's where that hole is and there's where the new hole is. That's what I'm thinking. Probably I'm right. Maybe I'm wrong. But I don't know. So now I have to do all over again because I didn't double check. He even said, the guy on the video said, go to a sink and check if any water comes out. I didn't do that. So this is what I get. This is what I get. Yeah. So now I have these patches on. Lesson learned. The lesson I got learned today. The lesson that I learned today. It's always double check, guys. Always double check because you have no idea. You have no idea. Like, let's say you're at school and you know, you're doing a big test and you really don't want to fail on this test. You know, always double check your work, and maybe if you have some spare time, basically do the whole test all over again and see if you get the same answers as you did before. Because and if you didn't, try again and see what answer you think is the right answer, and All I'm saying is double check, you know? That's what I learned today. Because, yeah. Anyways, now I'm gonna go double check and put in the sink. Alright guys, the air is actually staying in. I'm gonna wait and see if any air comes out, so I'm gonna go eat lunch. Let's not forget my trash from breakfast. Wasn't really a breakfast. I'm still really hungry. I left my phone. Huh. So when I come back out, if air has not came out, then I'm just going to call it a success. So yeah, and if air did kind of come out, I'm just gonna call it a success. There's a bug. The crap. Moment of truth. Yes. That's amazing. Alright, so I just got it all back on. And no air is coming out. As you guys can see. It's pretty good. So I'm gonna go do school. I haven't really started the day yet, so I'm gonna go do school. And yeah, we'll go from there, I guess. We out here, guys. Let me wipe that off. We out here, guys. We got Nathan. We got my bike. It's all fixed. He's trying to jump this crack. Oh! That's about what I did. Isn't it fun? Yo, we out here.
Come on, let me do it.
It's still really fun, guys. Really fun. Really fun. It's another beautiful day in cruising. This bug.
Right,
We're at the school. What is he doing? Savage. Your foot? Dang. Guys, I'm calling this Death Hill. Like, for real. There is already some stuff going on here. Nathan will tell you. Yo, what are these? Holy crap. Oh, these are sharp. What? Look at these. They're like little spiky balls. It's a hoe, guys. We have found the hoe. I repeat, we have found the hoe.
You go pick that up, bro. It's like possessed. It could be possessed, bro. Oh, look at it, bro. Look how creepy it looks.
Yo, why is it bent?
Yo, I don't know. That's even more creepy, bro. Because I went to get trapped in this deal. What if somebody opened that?
I'm calling this Death Hill, guys. Guys, just look at this. It's really steep. You can't tell on the GoPro because, like, it's a GoPro. Steep.
That was weird as frick, dude.
What'd you see?
Oh my gosh, I just saw a person. Alright, thumbnail, bro. Thumbnail.
Death Hill.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail? Okay. This should get both of us. New thumbnail, guys. We don't like the old thumbnail. We're getting a new one.
You ready, bro?
Yo, I know.
What?
Gotta have that dab in there. You don't have the dab.
Bro,
You're not loyal.
Yeah.
You almost fell.
Like, really.
Yo, what's under this?
What's under what?
All these rocks. Parkour! There's a tunnel right there. A tunnel right there. And also, you want to tell them about the clapping? Yo.
What about the camera doesn't get it?
Guys, if the camera doesn't pick the sound up, it's almost like a mockingbird. Mocking the clap and making a eat. Show them.
here, dude.
And then if I go over there, I can't hear it.
So you go over there with the camera. Yeah, try it.
We can't hear the I don't hear it. Like he hears it right now. I don't hear it. Oh, you're doing it a little louder. Hold on. I can't hear it. It's crazy, dude. This is literally why I'm calling this Death Hill.
What about this Death Hill? It's possessed hill. I don't know.
If you want us to do like a 3 a.m. challenge here,
But not your
that will be a good idea. Or a Siri challenge.
Silly challenge here.
Siri challenge here, yeah. We need an iPhone. I don't have an iPhone. I'm sorry, guys. I'm Android. just like Android. Android backflip. Oh. Karate attempt. Success.
Alright.
Oh. Whoa. That's like ninjutsu. Whoa. Whoa. I want to get some of this action. Yeah. Yeah.
Thumbs up, bro. Last suicide. You know, that could hit me right there, dude.
That wasn't epic. No. Oh! Whoa!
Oh!
Whoa! 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 Kill him with kindness. Are you happy now?
Yeah, bro.
Poor tree.
Look at this weapon.
Yeah. Oh. What? It went bulbum. Well, that was a fail. Kill him with kindness. Yeah. Kill the clown. You can't hear it. It went Jake Paul, guys.
Oh.
I have found the weed.
Serious?
No, it's just a robbery. Probably somebody's lunch money. Try to move boulders. Part 1.
Yeah, bro.
Trying to move boulders. Part 2. Oh!
Bro, I moved it.
You gotta flip
I'm gonna move it all the way. All the way up. Yo.
It's so
Bro,
heavy.
you try.
Right. It like tries to get there, but it doesn't.
Nah, nah.
I'm gonna do it. Hurts my back, bro. You gotta be careful, bro.
Woo!
I'm gonna move it. Oh, dude.
Dude.
Oh, I did it! Hey!
What is that?
When the boulder had been there for like millions of years. Oh,
dude.
yo, 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 yo.
That's like the
Woo, what a good day. I'm back home. I might go out riding a bike to Providence. Oh my gosh, Luke got on my bike. Guys, watch this. Oh yeah, baby. It is the end of the day, guys. Let me tell you something. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something. we go. Best YouTube channel on the freaking planet. Tell you what, guys. Oh, yeah. Oh. That Jake Paul copy you. I'm sorry. But anyways, it's freaking 9:17. Freaking late outside. It's freaking dark outside, guys. But anyways, like the video. Hold on. Like the video. Subscribe. Comment down below and share this video. 4 simple steps to lead you to be my biggest fan. I don't have no fans, so if you want to be my biggest fan, you'll be the first. Alright, guys. Yeah, I'll see you next video. It's not. I know it's not. I know I don't upload every day, but tomorrow I will be uploading. Well, I will be vlogging, but I won't upload. I will upload today's vlog tomorrow, and I will edit, and I'm still trying to work it out. But anyways, I'm going to my cousin's house tomorrow, so I have to vlog it. I have to freaking vlog it. Kobe. Anyways, good night, guys. Peace out. Ow. Oh. Oh my